Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my journal that I made for Anton of Bontik Vintage Designs, and it is Fall Vintage Lady, and he has the prettiest digitals, and I showed a flip through of those digitals when I started my journal. But this is it's a soft cover. I used Amazon packing paper to make, just kind of doubled it up, patted it, and added some corners on it. Got a lace, put lace on the spine. I use this pretty fabric, and I just kind of freehanded leaves throughout when I kind of quilted it on my sewing machine. And this is one of his digitals. And I've got crochet buttons that I learned to do from Big Mama Sandy Moore. And since I have so much embroidery floss, I just did these flowers kind of like these, but I just made a circle and embroidered inside the circle and made the flowers and just made them smaller. And then I just added some flat back pearls into the center to make the flower. And I have some of the crochet on my Etsy shop if you're interested. And I've just got a simple tie here from some scraps that I have to kind of match. And I have got lace pocket for the front and back. Some of these you've probably seen me make on the 50 stack challenge, and some of these I just made on my own. This is just a little journaling space. Okay, and this is it's 3 signatures, and I just used the glue stick and embossed just like I learned from Big Mama Sandy Moore. She's taught me a lot. And just added some of this pretty ribbon on the edge of coffee dyed paper. I have got a fabric flip, and I have got these pretty digitals. I just have a tuck spot there, stamped. And let's see, I made this pocket that you put into the signature, and it's got a guest check journaling card there. It's a double pocket and corner pocket or tuck. And then this side is a pocket. And this is the one I did on the postcard play that Carrie Griffiths offered. So that goes well with it. I have got a corner tuck here. And this pulls out and gives you a little bit more hidden journaling space. And I just keep it closed with a paper clip. These little tiny Tim Holtz paper clips. They're cute as they can be. Not always the easiest to, there we go. And got some more journaling space. This is one of Anton's prints. And got that. This is one of my own personal prints that I've got on my Etsy shop. And it's fall backgrounds. And I've got this little safety pin with beads and a little feather on it. This is another one of Anton's digitals, and this is just decorated, and you can journal there. Got that little tuck there with a journaling card and a book page with fall. This is another one of my prints. The back. I love Anton's. They're just beautiful. Got some gold splatters on a lot of these. Got this pocket and journaling cards. Another one of my little crocheted flowers. And another one of the postcard play jelly print digitals. And let's see. I mean, it's gorgeous. I just decorated that. Another one of mine. I've got another one of my jelly postcard play. And another one, the other side, this is the double tuck pocket. Got a tag and a couple of little things tucked in here. Coffee dyed paper. And here's a second signature. It reminds me, like I said before, of the Harlequin romance novels my mom used to read back in the 70s. This was inspired by Roxy's weekly challenge. And got the tag there. And we've got these. I did some wax seals, so you've got writing space there. There's plenty of writing space in here. Okay. The scrapbook paper I decorated and made little tuck pockets for things. This is another one of my digitals. And oh, just so pretty. And this was from a book. I just decorated the back. Another one of mine. I love Anton's work. And I've got some of these fall looking dangles. Got the little tree of life and the leaf. And let's see here. Love it, love it, love it. Another corner tuck. Another journaling area. These were some of the center he had with large, you know, where you could put them in the center of your journal. But I went ahead and printed them and made tags that you could journal on with them. Got this. And this is another hidden journaling spot. Okay. That's the other half of that scrapbook paper. I just did an edging on it and put some paper for writing. Got this wraparound pocket, another card that I made. There's another one. And we've got the last signature. Got this safety pin. This paper bag. I think you saw me do this one on Roxy's weekly challenge. And another tag that I did on Roxy's weekly challenge. Not Roxy's, I'm sorry, 50 Stack Challenge. The other one was 50 Stack Challenge. And I have another place to write. And I just got out the lighter, and I forget about my doing wax seals sometimes, but they're so pretty. Okay. This was a fun journal to work in, to play in, to make. More book page and writing space. A belly band and another journaling card. I did this on the 50 Stack Challenge, and I made that one. Oops, I forgot to put a pearl in it. Now, my Etsy shop, I don't include the pearls because you can use these for whatever you want. I've put gems, I've put pearls in when I use these. They make fun toppers and decoration. Okay. Got these. Got that little tuck and altered playing card and little ephemera to stick in there. Got this envelope, and it has another one of the jelly postcards stuck in here. Writing space. Another one of my jelly postcards. That. And another safety pin with beads. And my last lace on the back, and a big journaling card, and this little tag to write on. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully I'll have this on my Etsy shop when you see this. If not, it will be soon. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Be sure and check out Anton's channel at Bontik Vintage Designs. I have it listed in my description box. And there is a code for 50% off of his digitals. And he has some gorgeous digitals. I did a flip through the next papers of his I'll be using for my next fall journal. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.